Today we're going to be checking out this smartphone magnetic neck holder. Initially, I just wanted to have something where I can just record myself doing stuff on the table and I don't need something like overhead, so I can do it anywhere. Just start unboxing this shit. Okay, so what's in the box? Some funny hand strap thing, doesn't matter. So we actually have a sticker to actually make it magnetic, make your phone magnetic. This thing here, not sure whether we'll use it. Put it on one side. Wet wipes, instruction manual on how to do it, and it's in Chinese and a bit of English. Yeah, so you can see here it's in Chinese and a bit of English. So yeah, so this magnetic thing you're supposed to stick onto your phone in case you do not have a Magsafe for whatever reason. So for my iPhone, I actually have a Magsafe, so that's cool. So this is supposed to be going around your neck, and then if you see here, it's like some adjusting thing that you can adjust. So there's a button here, so if you press this button, you can actually pull this out. So this button is actually a button to unlatch this part. So that's pretty cool. So what you do, you unlatch it, put it around the neck, and there you have it. So yeah, so it goes around like this. You have your phone attached, and there you go. And that's it. So yeah, it's, as you can tell, it's pretty sturdy. You can just adjust accordingly. I'm gonna record a bit to give you guys see how. So this is it. So it's pretty cool. You can do a lot of unboxing stuff if you want. Oh, this is so cool. So if you can see here, but you got 1, 2, and 3 points of articulation. First part is like that. Second one, and the third one just for the phone to adjust how down you want it. Yeah, so I think this is pretty cool if you want something on the go and you need to do a top-down shoot. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, so this thing is, you really need to adjust accordingly. Yep, so yeah, I think it's all pretty cool. This will be good for people who like to do a lot of like unboxing videos or POV. If you're doing a in real life live stream, you can actually use this as well. It's really up to you. This is called Telesin. I think it's going to be pretty useful for certain works that I need to do, where I need to get a top-down perspective, or I have certain clients who need to get top-down shots, or for my own personal YouTube stuff. So yeah, this is just a short video because I just wanted to test out shooting over here, whether is there any difference. And yeah, so this is the Telesin smartphone magnetic neck holder. Great if you have iPhone, you know, Magsafe. But if you don't have an iPhone with Magsafe, there's always the magnetic sticker that you can put on your phone, which is pretty useful. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.